Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. This is part 2 of my money envelope tutorial. In this video you will see how I make the 3x6 card to my money envelope project. And for this card I will be using papers from my stash, including the Prima Marketing Tales of You and Me by Frank Garcia, and I will also be using my dies from Spellbinders. Now I will be leaving a list plus the links of the supplies that I have used for this project in the description area below. And if you just happen to land on this video and are not a subscriber as of yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Decorate Your Life is about paper crafting, about project shares and tutorials. And while you're at it, click on that bell icon so that YouTube will notify you each time I upload a brand spanking new video. As I mentioned in my last video, the measurements that we are going with are 3x6, so of course we are going to want to trim our cardstock accordingly. The base of the card, you're going to want to trim it to 6x6 and fold it in half, and the paper that goes on top of your base, you're going to want to trim it at 3x6 minus 1/8 of an inch on both sides, and then you're going to adhere your designer paper with either a double-sided tape or glue, and my preference is the double-sided tape, and I do use the score tape, and I will be linking the source of where I get the score tape. I think it's a lot cheaper if you buy it by the 3-pack or the 5-pack than if you are to order it per single pack. But anyways, you will find that link in the description area below. Going forward, I'm going to speed up the video so that it doesn't take up too much of your time, and if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave me your question in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video, that way I know to bring you more tutorials and more project shares every single weekend, and I will see you again on part 3. I cannot wait to show you that mini album. It's a beauty.